Meaning of infliction.
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 Infliction. The term infliction typically refers to the act of causing harm or suffering to someone or something, either intentionally or unintentionally. It can be physical, emotional, or psychological in nature, and often involves some degree of pain or discomfort being inflicted on the victim. The result of such an infliction can be devastating, not only for the individual affected but also for those around them. It can leave lasting scars and trauma, affecting their mental and physical well-being in profound ways. Inflicting harm on others is therefore generally seen as a negative and harmful behavior that should be avoided.